Today there's a new makeup set. It's so beautiful. It's so very, very, very beautiful. But let's open it now. Now, how we open it? Welcome our channel. Today, this so much this bottle and biscuit, and this is the biscuit, and this the eyeshadow. So let's start it. Done. Open.
How it is, Isha?
Good.
It's nice. Do you like it?
Yes.
Oh, it's so
Love it.
beautiful.
Today let's do makeup.
Okay.
Okay, let's do the eyeshadow. Now we can put eyeshadow down. Yay! Yeah, okay. Then now we need to put some blush. Like this. What's that? Where we put this? Now, what we need? Biscuit. With the biscuit. We can put biscuit. Pink. Now we can put this blush. With the blush, right here. Wait. No, wait. I done my makeup. Now we can. Now